Hello, welcome back. Welcome to part 4 of this series, in which I'm going to show you how you can upload your finished lectures to the servers of the University of Heidelberg to make them available to the student via the e-learning platform Moodle. So, disclaimer for people not from University of Heidelberg watching this. This part is highly specific to what we use here, and this may not necessarily translate to what you can do yourself. Yet you could of course upload the video you just produced onto YouTube or Vimeo to make them available, but check with this, how this works for you. So what we're going to see in this video is how, using the iCast service from University of Heidelberg, think of it of our local YouTube hosting service, we can embed directly into the Moodle or e-learning platform the videos to make them available. So we start by going into Moodle, logging into it. There it is. I'm assuming you have already a course created in which you want to upload your videos. So you navigate to that course, here it is, and I'm going to switch to the English user interface. You turn on editing in this upper right corner, and the first thing you need to do is to add a block, and you need to add the OpenCast video block, and this will allow you to upload your videos from your computer directly into the iCast service from the University of Heidelberg. So I'm going to make that a bit wider. Yes. So now you have the original layout with your course, the different parts, and here these blocks in which you can add videos. So I'm going to upload the video for the part 2 here, editing your recording. So this is occurring in 2 steps. The first one is you upload the video. Second one, once it is uploaded onto the server, which takes a bit of time, you can embed it into your course. So let's go to the first part. You click here on Add Video, opens this window. You need to give it a title. So this will be Part 2, Editing. In our case, we have a presentation with a presenter already embedded. So let's say we're using the top one. So I could choose the file. I can upload a file from my computer. I choose the file here for my desktop. It is video 2 compressed, so small. I select it. I will save it as video 2 editing small, for MP4. Just give it the same name. You can choose a license, no commercial, no derives. In our case, we upload the file. It's done. Okay, so now the file has been uploaded to the server, and we can save the changes. A new window appears that shows the status of the videos onto the streaming server. I have already earlier today uploaded a couple of videos, and as this step is taking quite some time, the upload and the processing, I'm going to demo how to do the second step with another video, like part 3 or part 1 here. So now this is done. We can close this. We can go back to our course. Here it is. So yes, now everything that I have in the queue, part 2 we just uploaded is being processed. Part 1 and part 3 are already available. Part 3 I already embedded it. You see here, we're going to embed part 1. So we want to embed the video and its own player directly into this segment. So we press here plus to add an activity or resource. And you have different options. One called iCast videos, and we could use that one, but we won't. We will actually embed it using a label. It's a generic way to embed content into a block. So we select label. We can add a text to that label, but what we want to embed is a video. So you select here, insert or edit an audio video file. We do that and we click here on video and we browse the repository. If I select here HiCast video player, it will list me all my previously uploaded and processed videos available for me on the HiCast server. So I want to embed part 1. I select it, select the file, and I can simply insert the media. So the beauty of this is that it will not only embed the video, but embed the video and the HiCast player, which is quite elaborated, as you will see in a second. So I can save and return to the course. And now my part 1 video is embedded into my block. So if I would like to see how this would look like to the students, I can turn editing off. I can even click here and switch role to a student. So I am now a student, and this is how it will appear to the student. So if they log into the class and they see this and they would like to watch the video, they simply click on this thing and it's starting. So HiCast is adding this little trailer, and then the video we uploaded before is playing. So you can't hear the sound here. It's there, but it's actually going to my muted speakers. So this player is quite nice because, of course, you can, YouTube style, you can navigate through the different channel very easily, part of the video by clicking. You can fast forward by 30 seconds, by pause, play with the volume. What I find particularly nice, you can of course play it full screen, but you can also minimize it. That would work as well. I do it here, make it big again, and as it plays, you can adjust the speed. So to fast forward and play it faster, 1.5 times. If you want to fast forward through sections, or slow it down to 75%. Good. So this is how to embed video into a block. I can, of course, I will just return to my normal role, turn on editing again, and I can, of course, add some comments to that video, like using the label add. I could paste some comment for that very specific video, such as, for example, links to, in this case, OBS. Return, and now this would be added, as we all know it looks like. Okay, so go back to the overview here. It's still being processed. This usually takes some time, from a few minutes to maybe an hour or two, I don't really know. So this covers how to basically embed the video you upload, and embed the video into Moodle and make them available to the students. So thank you for watching, and I see you in an upcoming video.